Hello and welcome to this BB Education cutting tutorial. In today's tutorial we're taking a beautiful A-line shape and applying a disconnected layer to give a more creative textured effect, but whilst maintaining the length and the integrity of our shape. But for the purposes of this tutorial, we're just cutting off the length so we have some strength in the outline. Then we're going to begin to put our sections in for our layered shape. So to achieve the effect we're after, we're working with a C-curve sectioning pattern. So our veil is a curved C shape. When we look from this side, we get a clear view that the hairline begins to go up. And as it travels up, there's less hair. So we have to incorporate that into our sectioning, which is one of the reasons why the C curve is so effective. The fact it's in a C means it goes lower towards the back. Going lower where there's more hair. The sides have less hair, the back has more. So the C curve helps to equalise the effects the veil have on the overall shape. So it's a great way to disconnect on fine hair as well as weight removal on thick. In today's tutorial, we're utilising this technique to remove bulk from the underneath and also to layer and shape with the top. So to start with our bulk removal, we're going to take two vertical sections from each corner of our C curve. This is our vertical section, giving us full control over the shape going from top to bottom. So how do we decide how much hair to come off? Well, I always use the length. So the more hair that drops away from the length, the more subtle this is going to be. Now we take section 2 and we're going to be over directing section 2 onto the base of section 1. But we're not just going to work vertical. This section will pivot slightly, ensuring we can control the cut line slightly differently to what we've just done. As our cut line will be different this part forward due to the fact that there's a lot less hair in our sections. So underneath this, there's no hair, whereas at the back, there's all the hair going all the way down to the nape. So remember, we're still going to be pivoting our section, not working purely vertical, removing the previous so we only have two sections at once. Remember, the pivoting aspect is about helping us to ensure we can change the cut line and blend in seamlessly. So as we lift up here, we don't use the initial guideline, we go further. Once the underneath section has been completed, we're going to put all the hair away, putting it into a neat bun at the nape. Again, the purpose of this layer is to flatten and collapse the shape. Now complete, we're going to remist the top section, starting with the crown zone of our C curve, taking a vertical profile section to begin our layering process. So we're going to work with a vertical section, once again lending itself to us controlling all the movement of the hair going up and down. Here I'm working parallel to the head shape. Now we're going to take section 2, which will be over directed back onto section 1. Section 3 will go on to section 2, and section 4 will go on to section 3. So once these sides are complete, we're going to start with the front zone by combining it into the back. We're lifting the section up and our cut line is working short to long. So our sections have been over directed off their base. As you can see here, they're moving closer towards me, away from the front, which again is helping us to build the length traveling towards the front. Once complete, we're going to wrap dry the root area to ensure we get full control over how the roots sit. Now I'm going to use a mirror, as I would recommend you do, and start manipulating the hair before it cools down. So again, the purpose of this tutorial was all about where we place our disconnection. So we really wanted an A-line shape, so we didn't want to lose the integrity of the outline, but we wanted a slight bevel. There's still a bit of weight in the back, so we're just going to take vertical sections and do what we call a double tapping texturizing method. Double tapping is about collapsing the shape and not losing the thickness in the ends. So let's get a close up. So you see we've got our section, double tap, so I'm cutting the same one a few times onto the next, same one a few times onto the next. See, this really feathers out the outline, but because we're leaving sections untouched, we still keep a lot of weight in the hair. So here we have our end result. Really soft textured versus how salon friendly look. Our client keeps the length. We've got this real bespoke take on an A-line shape, giving texture, giving versatility. We really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching.